this. What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog, and today we will be unboxing the newest phone to BoostMobile. Today we have the Samsung Galaxy A6. This phone costs $349. Let's look at why that is. Some of the phone's aspects include a 5.6 HD Plus AMOLED display, 3000 milliamp battery, 16 megapixel main back camera, and a 16 megapixel front camera. We have a fingerprint sensor which is located under the camera, 32 gigabytes of memory, and 3 gigabytes of RAM. Obviously this phone runs under Android, 4G LTE, and a 1.6 gigahertz octa-core processor. Let's go ahead and open the phone. The A6. Pretty smooth box. What comes in the package is the phone itself, a wall USB charger, terms and conditions, and a pre-installed SIM card. Now let's go ahead and open this. Ooh. Actually, I'm really impressed with how this is set up. This looks beautiful. Okay, what's in the box? So we have the wall adapter right here. This is not fast charging. Sorry for the disclaimer, but it is what it is. Here we have the regular micro USB cable. This is not the Type-C, unfortunately. This is not the one that charges faster. And now we're getting to the phone itself. We have the Galaxy A6 right before us. The first thing you get hit by is this 360 plastic sleeve all around the phone. It's not as satisfying as the ones where you peel off and it does that little. This mid-range phone is pretty impressive. It looks like a flagship phone, but it's not. It looks like a Galaxy S9. The phone seems really elegant and pretty sturdy. It has a metal finish. Pretty nice fit in my hand. Let's go ahead and take the sleeve off. Alright, now here we have the phone. The phone has a metal back matte finish. It has antennas right here and on the top. You can see the camera, and you can see that directly under the camera we have the fingerprint sensor. Something I don't like about this is that you might smudge the camera and the camera quality might be reduced because of all the grease from your fingertips. Looking to the side of the phone, we have the power button right here, and we also have what I think is really odd. We have the speaker right here. There's no other speaker around the phone except right here. Here we have a noise cancellation mic, so when you're talking to the phone, noise is canceled from right here, volume up and volume down. Here we have the SIM and memory card slot. In the bottom, we have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, a mic, and right here, we have our charging port. Let's go ahead and turn on the phone. So the phone does look pretty elegant, pretty sturdy, pretty compact. Minimal bezels. This phone is a mid-range phone. For the bezels it has, it seems pretty fair to me. Right after you enter your name, it's going to offer you to set up the face recognition, fingerprint, or password. Okay, here we have the phone itself. If you swipe to the right, it's going to show you the modes. If you swipe to the left, it's going to show you the effects. And I don't know why the screen from the camera looks really blue, but in real life, from the human eye, it looks pretty crisp. In color wise, but texture and detail. Let's talk about the bezels on this phone right here. The bezels are pretty minimal. I'm pretty satisfied with this display. It's obviously not a flagship phone, so I'm not expecting an infinity display like the Samsung Galaxy S9, but let's just compare this to an iPhone 7 Plus. If you see the bezels on the iPhone 7 Plus are almost twice the size of the bezels on the Samsung Galaxy A6. Something I want to mention as well is that the phone is a lot more narrow. So texting on this phone or setting it up, you might miss a couple of keys while typing. The processor on the phone is not the fastest. You can also split screen, which I like about this, but I don't like the fact that this phone has 3 gigabytes of RAM and it lags. Having a phone with 3 gigabytes of RAM, I'm expecting a lot of speed, no lagging at all, and going with split screen should not be a problem at all. Yeah, but this phone does not work that way. Alright guys, so that wraps up our first impressions, hands-on and unboxing for this phone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, share, and we will be doing the full review on the next video. So please be sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell to be informed when we upload the full review.
For those that made it to the end of the video, I have some great news for you guys. For the past year, I've been working on something on the side. I've been working on this website, CLEQQ. You can go ahead and check it out. You guys will be the first to see this. It's not officially launched. I'm hoping to officially launch it once we hit 50,000 subscribers. Point behind this website is basically after seeing so many people get ripped off in stores, they were being charged like $30, $40 for a case, for a screen protector, when they really cost way less than that. So I started this company to try to help people out and not rip them off by giving them some of the highest quality, the cheapest price that they could find on the market. Even when I had to go on Amazon or eBay to find some cheap cases, they would take months to come from China. So this is based out of the US. Having said that, you guys being my first subscribers, I really want to thank you guys. If you use the coupon JGFAM, I'll have it down in the description. You will get better prices than the regular visitors that are visiting the website. Keep in mind though, I'm not completely finished. I'm still adding a lot of products. We're gonna have a whole range of cases, screen protectors, and maybe even unlocked phones. Stay tuned, and thank you guys for believing in me and helping me grow. I hope you guys can join me for the big launch once we hit 50,000 subscribers.
It's octa-core processor. I got my grandma's knife from the kitchen. We couldn't find a razor. So now we're gonna unbox this. It's not a flagship phone, so I'm not expecting any
feature for the visually challenged and impaired. To turn on voice assistant, touch and hold the screen with 2 fingers or quickly press the power key and volume up key together.
What? Did you hear that?
Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.